So what is a Wolff-Kishner reduction? See, it involves reduction. It involves reduction of carbonyl groups of aldehyde and ketones into मिथिलीन. मिथिलीन मतलब CH2. तो जो आपका एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन का जो C डबल बॉन्ड वो होता है, इन शॉर्ट यू विल गेट अ समथिंग लाइक दिस, C डबल बॉन्ड O. दिस इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू CH2. तो ये कन्वर्जन करने के लिए वी नीड सम रिएजेंट, वी नीड सम सॉल्वेंट. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लेते हैं हाइड्रोजन NH2 and a very strong base like alkoxide ion RONA, or even NaOH can also do the reaction, and the solvent is here ethylene glycol. So this is something which we use it, and here the byproduct is something called as a nitrogen gas. So we have to see how the mechanism goes for this. If I write on the one reaction, just pay attention over the reaction. If you got here something like R bond C double bond O R, okay, this is a ketone. Now it is getting reacted with the hydrogen, that is NH2, that is NH2 bond NH2. Now this is getting treated with this, and we are getting something called as a hydrazone. We are getting R bond C double bond, this is R. Now this H2 and this O gets removed in the form of water, and we are getting N bond N here 2H with the one lone pair here and the one lone pair here. So nitrogen is having a 3 bonds. अब आपने इसके अंदर ऐड कर दिया sodium ethoxide C2H5ONA in the presence of solvent called as a ethylene glycol, and you are just heating this. So there is going to be loss of N2 gas, and we are getting something called as R bond CH2 R plus N2 gas. So this is something the reaction goes. So now we have to understand its mechanism. So how the mechanism goes for this particular reaction, just focus here, you can understand it. See, if I write down this same reactant, मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँगा R bond C double bond O bond R. So what happened here, this hydrogen react with this NH2 bond NH2, one lone pair here, one lone pair here. So this attacks over here, there is a loss of water molecule is happening. I am writing directly that. After that we'll give you the mechanism. C double bond N bond NH2, okay, and there is a R. So what is going to happen here, you will add here this is called as a hydrazone. We call it as a hydrazone, इसको हम लोग hydrazone बोलते हैं. अच्छा, अब क्या होने वाला है यहाँ पर, आप इसके अंदर ऐड करेंगे बेस OH माइनस, या फिर आपका अल्कोक्साइड होगा तो अल्कोक्साइड आयन आ जाएगा. सो बेस विल टेक अप द, यहाँ से 2 हाइड्रोजन है, एक हाइड्रोजन को वो पिकअप कर लेगा. सो व्हाट वी आर एबल टू गेट इट हियर, वी आर एबल टू गेट दिस स्ट्रक्चर R bond C bond R double bond N bond NH with the negative charge. So this negative charge will come between the nitrogen and the nitrogen. At the same time, this pi bond will get shifted over the carbon. So carbon will get a negative charge. Are you getting the point or not? So the moment carbon get a negative charge, there is a water present that will be getting protonated. So we are getting this structure R bond C bond R bond negative charge bond N double bond N with an H. आई होप यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रही है बात. ठीक है, So this is having one lone pair, this is also having one lone pair. Now the moment you will adding here water, so water will do the protonation over the carbon with the negative charge. So that is going to be R bond C bond H bond R bond and double bond H. Here lone pair and the here lone pair. So again you are going to add here something called as a base. So base is already present, so this base will take this proton again, and there is going to be the negative charge over this. So what is the next system? So it looks like this, something bond N double bond N with the one lone pair extra. So there is a negative charge, so this will come here and this will come here. So there is a loss of N triple bond N. There is a nitrogen gas and we are getting R bond C bond H bond R with the negative charge plus N2 gas. So again you do the protonation here because water is already present in the system. So once you do the protonation, you are getting this structure R bond C H H. So what happened to this compound? You find there is a conversion of C double bond O group. This C double bond O got converted into CH2. Are you getting the point or not? So this is the something we have to look for. So this is all about the mechanism of Wolff-Kishner reduction. Thank you.